module, we will be focusing on the architecture of a Botnet program, that is NetBot. NetBot is an in-house built DDoS Botnet attack simulation program that can be used to reproduce and imitate DDoS attacks. This program is built with Python 3 and it is available on GitHub and completely open source. You can effortlessly download and set up the program on your virtual lab and launch DDoS attacks on your closed test environment. Please do make sure that you are not attacking the targets outside of the lab unless you have the authorization to attack the target. Feel free to make changes to the code by porting the project on your environment. Interesting features to the program will be merged to the project and will get your name feature. The program is exclusively made for this course and it has limited features for quick understanding. The version of this program meant for this course is listed under the first release. The code is still evolving and I am working on new features like hidden client process injection, propagating attacks behind a VPN, auto update of new CCC servers, conjoining with several CCCs, etc. NetBot comes with three vital components. First one being the netbot_server.py Python code, which is the command and control center server code. The NetBot's CCC server works on passive mode as it does not send active commands to the bots. The CCC code runs on the attacker server and will keep a track of bots connecting to it and disconnecting from it. The second component of NetBot, being the netbot_config.py code, is one of the most critical components of NetBot as it has the ability to control the actions of the CCC. You will also be using this component to configure the victim's IP address, port, and types of attacks to be performed on the target. This configuration component should be residing on the attacker machine alongside with the CCC. There is no need to run this code as this will be automatically sideloaded by the CCC server. The third and final component of NetBot is the netbot_client.py Python code. This will be the bot code or the client code that needs to be deployed on the slave or worker machines that has direct or indirect reachability to the CCC server. The bot code should be deployed on the client machines individually. Once the code has been deployed and executed by providing the CCC server location, it attempts to connect to the CCC server. Considering that the command and control center is not reachable, the bot will try indefinitely to connect back to the server until the server comes back online. Kindly allow me to explain the schematic architecture of NetBot under a simple nutshell. Assuming you are the attacker with the IP address 1.1.1.10. You are looking forward to attack the victim machine on the same network 1.1.1.20. We are under an impression that the victim server is running a web application on port 80. We are planning to attack the victim server using NetBot. whole component is, this is the CCC server, and this will be the configuration component. Assuming that you have deployed NetBot and you control 3 botnet machines which is on the same network with the IP addresses 1.1.1.11, 12, 13. All these machines are connected to CCC. They can be of different flavors of OS like Mac OS, Windows, or any flavors of Linux. The CCC keeps checking the configuration component for the instructions. The bots connected to the CCC keeps checking for any new instructions. Since we know the victim's IP address and port to attack, we use the HTTP flooding attack, same attack which we saw on the 10th module of this course. These 3 parameters needs to be configured on the configuration component. Victim IP is 1.1.1.20. Victim port 80. Attack type HTTP flood. Once all these 3 parameters are set that are required for the attack, you can set the attack status to launch. The CCC reads the configuration and sets the attack flag to on. The connected bots reads this information from the CCC and prepares to start attacking the victim. To stop the ongoing attack, we change the attack status launch to halt. CCC once again loads this configuration and the bots connected to the CCC reads this latest signal data and prepares to stop attacking the target. These bots goes into the dormant mode and checks the CCC at certain intervals for new instructions. represents the architecture and operation flow for NetBot.